Well, now she's got Jekyll, and Heckle's right there jealous. He's so jealous, he's sitting over on my chair. Oh, she's got a foghorn. That ain't Jekyll, that's foghorn. Be careful with him. Yeah. You stuck?
He's mad.
She's got old Foghorn there, just loving him, loves her bag, but not as good as Heckle. He's the mean one with them big old spurs down there. If you look right down there with them big old spurs on him. But he's a good rooster. He takes care of the other brothers of his. And she's plucking at his. Jekyll is jealous, sitting over there behind her like, that's not fair. Heckle is back there, that's not fair. Look at that biggin'. But we come standing up here like he's God's gift of roosters. And she just crows right by him. Yeah, they all just love her to death. She's played with his feathers. Throw it up with her. Hopefully he won't poop on her.
Yeah.
Here comes Jekyll. Heckle's over yonder mad over there by the paint and the stuff. Looking around like, that's wrong. This is my mama. Jekyll's trying to find his way up there on top. Yep, look at him just plucking at his feathers. Loves him to death. Just grows away with her. That's the one we call Foghorn right there. That's Jekyll. And then over here is Heckle. Right there, that little thing there. And out there somewhere is Blackfoot. But he just sitting there watching her, trying to tell Heckle, you ain't the only one. He says, I can crow with her. I let it roll. But you gotta watch him, boy. He's got them daggum spurs, and they pretty big. All right, Facebook, YouTube friends and family. Y'all hit that subscribe button and like. And get me on up there. That would be very beautiful and lovely. Well, y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.